Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Electrum wallet. First, open your Electrum application and click on the Send tab. Next, carefully paste the Bitcoin address of the recipient into the Pay to field. Double-check this address for accuracy. Then, input the precise amount of Bitcoin you wish to transfer in the Amount box. This ensures your funds go to the correct destination. After entering the address and amount, you'll need to configure the transaction fee. Electrum allows you to adjust a slider to choose your preferred fee, which impacts how quickly your transaction is confirmed on the network. A higher fee usually means faster confirmation. Carefully review the total amount, which includes the Bitcoin you are sending plus the network fee, to avoid any surprises. Once you are satisfied with all the details, click the Send button. You will then be prompted to enter your Electrum wallet password to sign the transaction. This step authorizes the transfer of your Bitcoin. After signing, the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network, initiating the transfer of your funds. You can then monitor its status. For your security, always double-check the recipient's Bitcoin address before confirming any transaction. A single incorrect character can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Also, regularly update your Electrum wallet software to benefit from the latest security patches and features. And remember, staying hydrated is important. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.